Okay, so I finally have this tool, which is a clutch holder. It's from Motion Pro. I like it. Now, what we need to do is really simple. Let's take this out of the way. Don't lose those bolts. So, no. Okay. So what we need to do, it's really simple. We need to get that, put it right here and holds it in place really, and then what we do is that we take this nut up and then we use that special tool, the flywheel puller out. So, what did I put? Oh, there it is. I was like, I just had it in my hand. Where did it go? I gotta be in a weird position. Give me a second. Alright, so I was able to get it. So I was holding this on. So stick that out. And then I finally get the bolt out. Or at least loosen. And now I can take this off. But yeah, just hold that into place. Put it right there to the holes. Hold it in place. And I use this. Also I use a cheater bar to get more torque, and that will loosen it. So yeah. Alright, so I don't have a big enough wrench for this part, so I'm just only going to use this bit. So you just put it right there, pretend that's like a big ass wrench. Put it like that. Hold this in place while you're tightening this bit, and yeah. Yeah, damn it. So finally, after some time, I finally got this out. Finally. Whew, that took a long time. And just like that, we are in. And I was stuck in there really good. There we go. Yeah. So I need to replace just this generator system with my other one, with this one, because the leads are different and I don't want to do a whole new wiring job on the whole bike. So I was like, I might as well switch these out. Now I need to take that off and take that off and take this out, put the other one in, slap it on, and put it into the engine or into the pit bike. And be all good to go. Woo! Okay, so basically now I had to use this, which is an impact knife. Just put it there, and then get a good whack. Which I think that did it. No, it did not. Oh my god, we're gonna have this problem again, aren't we? It's working. There you go. It's tight. The hell? There we go. Now it works. There we go. So usually you need to hit this one time. Just one time. Now I've had it on loose. So make sure you learn how to use this tool first before you do anything. So that works much better than before. Now let's just hope the bottom one isn't so bad. I swear, like last time on my other one. It's getting there. It's good. I'm gonna be careful with my fingers. There you go. Yeah, that was so much easier. So much easier than on the old engine. Okay. Now then, to pry that off, we use like a screwdriver. Or what I do, really. What I do is I'll put in like that, and pry open. Let's get that. Let's try that actually. I'm not sure how well you can. And wow, that's good. Let's pry it open like that. Oh no, that's oil. Huh. Okay then. Now I gotta clean this up. This sucks. Alright, so that's out now. As you can see, that's how the chain's supposed to look like. Not like this. So, and yes, I had to clean all that up. I absolutely hate dealing with oil. I kind of really do, actually. Especially when it's unexpected like that. Yeah, I really hate that. So much. I hate that so much. Because oil is so thick. It's hard to get off. I hate that. You know, my favorite one is coolant. My second favorite is brake fluid. Brake fluid, I know. The third one I hate is... I love working with coolant. Because coolant is perfectly fine. Brake fluids and whatever. Coolant... No, wait. Oil, I hate it so much. And I really hate dealing with gas. Well, now I wanted to become a mechanic. First of all, I'm not a mechanic. Second of all, I'm a technician. Third of all, because I like to, alright? So I was trained for it in the beginning. So what do you expect I keep doing this besides finding a different career? What do you think? Anyway, so let's get back to this. Alright, so you can see right there. So let's put this in like this. Just like that. You want to lube up the O-ring, or the ring right there. And there we go. Make sure that's all lubed up. So let me coming on dry. That's what she says. Right, and then just slide it in there. Put this grommet into right here. Simple. I'm not sure how well you can see me actually now. Think about it. And there we go. Okay. Now then, from this point, you want to put. I want to put the other one. Not this one though. Not this one. But the old one on. I want to put this one on, the old one on. So, now there's a thing on there, like a little notch. Just fold it up to this one, and you'll be perfectly fine. Of course, it's magnetic, so you want to be careful with that. And of course, this has a good. Hold up. Now that we're going to tighten it up. So just get a little nut, put it back in here, and we're going to tighten this up. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just gonna do it by hand. Well, first when you put it in, it's gonna be really difficult, but once you get it in, you want to touch it by hand, and then it'll get hard again. So then you just want to. Oh, okay. So you want to use the tool. Get some pits off on it. Like that. I don't care. Hey. Just gonna tighten this. Lay it down. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, and there you go. Now, the engine is ready to be installed into the frame of the pit bike. Finally. Whew, that took a lot of work. Whoop, here we go, it's crooked a little bit. Oh well. So now the engine is ready to be installed into the pit bike. Finally, all that job for this. Okay, let's get that done. Okay, so, oh, you can't see that. So basically what happened, so ever since I was able to get it in place, kinda. However, as you can see, it's not the bolt, well, I don't have the bolt for it. I kind of lost it somehow. So as you can see, that's when I'm okay, but now I'm having trouble with this one. As you can see, so I was able to get it in. However, the bad thing is that, oh, what was blocking it is that it was this thing for the chain roller. That was blocking it, so just loosen that up and you'd be good to go. Now face the problem of this. So I'm gonna take this, and so what I need to do, I need to take off the swing arm and get that in place, and so I can fit all the way through. And yeah, so I'm gonna just take a break from here, call it down for today. Got everything wired up, I think. Here's the carburetor, there's the gas tank. So I'm gonna start this another day, because yeah. Now it was tricky to get it out, or to get the engine in at the very least. I've lost the bolts for it though. But yeah, so I need to take the swing arm out so I can fit the motor mount bolts on properly. Well, just one of them. And then after that, we could do the carburetor and get some gaskets for it first and all that. And then put everything in place, and that's it for the pit bike. I want to rebuild the engine on this, but I don't have all the necessary tools to do that. And my friend says it's best to get a new engine, so I follow up on him, and that's what I did. So yeah, everything is placed. It's almost ready to be bolted on, almost ready to be ridden. Of course, I need to get new tires for it. So once I get everything running in place and everything, I'm gonna do some modifications to this bike. So yeah, hope you all like this video. Leave a like and subscribe for more. Catch you all later. Bye bye.